Hi guys, this is Venkatesh. Welcome to Venky's Emerging Edge YouTube channel. So today we are mainly discuss about agent types. So first of all, what is an agent? Anything in world, anything in the world which can perceiving perceiving data from environment, perceiving the data from environment by using sensors. After that, performing action into the environment. Is it clear? So this is called agent. So now you can say that some diagram representation. It is agent, it is environment. Is it clear? Agent can perceiving the data from environment with the help of sensors, perceiving, receiving. After that, perform the action to a environment. Perform a action into environment by using a actuators. Is it clear? For example, human is a best example for a agent. So how can you say that a human is an example? Human can perceiving data from environment by using a sensors. What are the sensors? Organs is a best example of sensors. What are the organs? Eyes, ears, nose, skin, and tongue. So these are sensors. By using of these sensors, human can perceive the data from environment. Clear? After that, you can action, perform the action to a environment. How is possible? By using of hands, legs, sometimes mouth. Is it clear? So this is the best example of agent. Okay. Now we will discuss about the types of agents. Types of agents. So generally, agents are mainly three different types. Agents are mainly three different types. One is human, next one is robot, next one is software. But in exam point of view, types of agent based on behavior. Based on behavior, the agents are mainly different types. The first one is a simple reflex. Simple reflex agent, model based reflex agent, goal based agent, utility based agent, finally learning agent. Is it clear? These are mainly five different types of agents based on behavior. So now we will discuss about one by one by using of architecture. Is it clear? The first one is simple reflex agent. So one point is very very important. Each and every agent's interaction between environment. So that is the definition of agent. Is it clear? First one is a simple reflex agent. So this type of agent is mainly perceiving the data from environment based on condition. Based on condition. So this type of agent is called a condition action rule agent. Is it clear? That means the condition action rule based agent or simple reflex agent is both are same. Is it clear? Okay. So, sir, what is meaning of condition? That means if condition is true, then perform action. In case of else, false, no action. So this is a main logic behind the simple reflex agent. Clear? And now, so what is the architecture of simple reflex agent? This is the agent. This is the environment. Clear? First one. You can perceive the data from environment. Perceiving by using of sensors. Clear? After that, in agent we will mainly focus about what the world is like now. What is the present situation of the world? After that, we can what action to should do now. How is so? What action based on condition action rule? Is it clear? So based on condition action rule, then we decide what action to should do now. Then we perform the action into environment by using of activators. It is a simple architecture for a simple reflexed agent. Is it clear? So, one more thing. In case of we discuss about it, maybe simple reflex, model based, goal based, utility, learning, whatever it may be. All the architecture same as like that agents and environment interaction. Is it clear? Okay. Now we discuss about next one, model based reflex agent. Model based reflex agent. Okay. The first point. So it is also condition based agent. That means the first one we discuss about simple based and model based, both are condition, but here condition based agent along with and match the current situation. This is also very important. So that means the simple reflex agent only based on condition agent, but model based is the condition based agent along with a match the current situation. So here we can see this some architecture diagram. Then people are easily understanding the agent. It is environment. Same as you can perceiving the data by using of sensors. Is it clear? Same thing, same as a simple base result. After that, check the what the world is like now. Okay. But here current situation. That's why here what will happen? What are the current state? What are the current state that can be considered in a what the world is like now? That means bias. What is the previous experience? Along with one more, how the world evolves. This is also one state is also along we are using of in this what action taken in this situation. Next one is here what my action do. So this compared with simple reflex based agent, we are mainly focused about condition. But here current situation, what is the present state, how the world evolves, what my action do. Based on these three states, then only we are decided. Along with condition, action rule, then we have finalized the what action I should do now. Then we perform the action by using of actuators. Is it clear? That means the simple example. So driverless car is moving to on road. So based on present situation, based on what my action do, it's a brake or horn, and how the world evolves, then only based on condition we can perform the action. That is just model based reflex agent. Is it clear? Next architecture, goal based agent. Here the name itself goal based. So this is mainly focused on to reach the goal. Mainly focus on the reach the goal based on current situations also. That means here, so what are the situations we are involved in the model base? Here also same situations also involving. Just to see the check the what is the architecture. Same diagram but small change. Environment. Here perceiving the data by using of sensors. Okay. Next, here also what the world is like now. Consider the state. Next one is the how the world evolves. Next one is what my action do. This all are considered here what the world is like now. Next one more situation, that is called a what it will be like. What it will be like if I do action. I do action A. Why we are applying the action? We will reach the goal. So based on goal, what it will be like if I do the action A, then what action I should do now. Clear? So here what will happen? Model based reflexation based on previous situation, then only we will decide based on condition action rule. Then we will decide what action I should do. But here goal based agent, what I mean, based on previous situation along with what it will be in case of we take this action A, then only what actions should I do, then reach the goal. Then only we have performed the action by using of actuators. Is it clear? Next. Okay. Next agent, utility based agent. Okay. So the utility nothing but a comfort. Utility nothing but a comfort. Is it clear? Okay. This word is very important. You can understanding of utility based agent. Okay. What will happen? It is also similar goal based agent. Here, but here provide extra component. Provide extra component, that is a utility. Is it clear? Okay. So utility based agent act base not only a goal. It's not only a goal. It is also including of best solution to reach the goal. But goal-based agent main focus is to reach the goal or not. But utility-based agent not only reach the goal, it is also best solution to reach the goal. So that's why here we are adding the new component that is called a utility. Okay. Now we check the what is the architecture. You know, same agent, environment, perceiving, sensors. The first component, what the world is like now. Here also we consider the what is the previous state. Next, how the world evolves. Next, what my action do. So these are all are considered. After that, what it will be like if I do action. Next, generally, what action I should do now. So then you can say that goal node in a goal based agent. But here utility based agent, what it will be a like if I do a action. So in which also we consider the how the word and what my action do. Along with after that, how happy I will be in such state, then only it is related to a utility. Is it clear? How happy, how I will comfort to reach the goal. Then only we are deciding what action should do. Then by using the activators, perform an action. Is it clear? Okay, so that means goal based agent and utility based agent. What is the main difference? Goal based agent only goal based on what actions you do. But utility based agent we are mainly including of this new component that is called a how much I will happy. Then we reach the goal. That is a utility component, utility based agent. Is it clear? Okay. Now one more last agent that is called a learning agent. This is also most powerful agent and nowadays many robots are developing only learning based agent. Any problem can be solving based on only learning based agent. Okay. Why it is called most that means the learning based agent it can be learned. The name itself can be learned based on previous experience. That means this agent is each and every time we will learn new thing next like that. So that's why this is very most powerful agent. Clear? Okay. Now the learning based agent, so diagram also same, but here the architecture is different components are there. But the interaction is same, one environment and agent. Okay. The first one is we can perceiving the data from environment, that is a perceiving or perceiving data by using of sensors. Clear. But what type of data we can perceiving? That data is called critic. What is that one? Is a critic. What is meaning of critic? Critic nothing but a negative feedback. What the failures in a previous experiment that can be receiving critic. After that, we can learning component. We are adding the learning element. So learning is what will happen based on negative feedback. We can learn new thing. So where we will do the mistake. So that's why we are using of learning element is a new component. The learning element is always communicate with a performance element. So what is the performance? Is there any mistake? We will change that mistake changes. After that, how can it changes? We get a knowledge. So that's why learning element and performance element of both are interact by using of changes from a learning element. After that, we get a knowledge from a performance element. Next, one more component that is called a problem generator. The problem generator, what is the problem get that can be experienced? That is the experiments to the performance element. So that's it. This is called a learning goals are included in a problem generator. Finally, based on performance element, then we are applying of action by using of activators. That means the learning agent is based on previous experience. Here we can perceive the data, but here we are mainly including our four components. One is critic, another one is learning element, as performance element, and problem generator. Is it clear? So finally, what I am concluded here, we have discussed about 5 different types of learning agent. First one is a simple based and model based. Both are condition based agent. The simple base is completely 100% completely depending upon the condition action rule, but model based agent is a condition action rule based and along with a present situation. But the goal based agent is mainly depending upon a previous experience and goal. But utility based goal along with a best solution to reach the goal. But learning agent you can learn in a previous data, that is the critical feedback, negative feedback. Is it clear? Okay, thank you.